Welcome to Next Level Social Media Marketing. This is part 3 of 4, Posting and Planning Efficiently in Meta. My name is Sherry Papson, and I'll be your facilitator. Meta Business Suite lets small businesses and creators manage all of their connected accounts across Facebook and Instagram in one place. It offers a variety of tools that make it easier to manage your online presence for free. Meta Business Suite can help you reach more people and stay up to date while you manage your online presence in one place. Meta Business Suite is available for desktop and mobile, so you can manage your online presence wherever you are. In the next few slides, we'll be reviewing posting content and using the Meta Schedule feature. The steps for setting up a post starts with selecting the profile you want to post to. You can select Facebook and/or Instagram from the dropdown. In the media section, you can add an image or video. There's also an integration to Vimeo if you want to start a new design. Vimeo is similar to Canva as a design and publishing tool. In the post details, you can add a caption and include links, hashtags, and @mentions of other user accounts. As you create your post, the preview on the right will update, and you can also check to see what the post will look like in desktop versus mobile. The scheduling section lets you publish immediately, schedule for a later date and time, or save a draft until you're ready to post. Planner allows you to set up a calendar view to schedule posts, stories, reels, and ads to both Facebook and Instagram. Using Meta Scheduler will save you time and give you peace of mind when you have weeks or months of content publishing planned and scheduled to post. When you set up a schedule for a post, Meta will provide you with active times of your followers over the past 7 days. This can be useful information if you are trying to determine when to schedule your post in order to get maximum engagement. Of course, you don't have to select a time based on follower activity. You can simply select the desired date and time and click Save. Here is an example of a populated planner for a given month. You can see for each day the scheduled posts, which platform your post will be published to, and when a boosted post has completed its promotion period. Using the scheduler is an easy way to stay ahead of your posting goals, especially when you can see the activity in a clear and organized way. Boosted posts are created from existing content, which means it's on your feed. It turns a post into an ad and promote it to an audience you select. Boosted posts are designed to increase visibility and promote brand awareness. The steps are fairly straightforward. Set a goal, select an audience, set a budget, and determine length of time to boost the post. Meta will automatically fill in goal suggestions, audience targeting criteria, include a link, duration, budget, which allows you to hit save and be done. For the best results, you should go through each page to ensure accuracy. You should always select a goal for your post based on your objectives, whether it's page likes, comments, shares, or overall brand awareness. Audience can be set automatically based on your page details, or you can select a specific segment based on their interaction with your page or audience criteria you select. You may not know your budget right off the bat, but you can experiment with how changing your daily budget amount impacts the estimated number of accounts that can be reached. If you have a specific number of accounts you want to reach, then that will determine your budget. You can also set a budget that is comfortable, see the results, then make adjustments on future boosted posts. Facebook ads are created in Meta Business Manager. They are designed to create more advanced ad types and campaigns. When you get started with creating an ad campaign, Meta will guide you through a series of questions to help set up your ad objectives, target audience, and location. You'll still have an opportunity to further refine the ad campaign before launching. Facebook ads let you choose different ad placements like Facebook feed side ads, messenger ads, Instagram stories, and instant articles. You can also select different ad objectives like leads, app promotion, and sales. There are also more creative options like carousel display, specific descriptions, and call to action buttons. There are various types of ads. Images are fairly common. We see here a clean image with simple text and a call to action button. For the video, there is a prompt to view the video along with a call to action button. A carousel enables advertisers to create an ad with multiple images displayed individually, like slides. This can be a very engaging form of advertising. In this example, Nike uses this style to show a shoe from different angles. Instant experience is a video ad in essence. What makes this stand out is the ability to immerse the viewer into the story you're telling. When you click, the video opens in a separate full-screen window. This removes distraction and lets a viewer concentrate on what you have to say. A collection is a combination of video and images displayed in a grid style that you choose. This is great for showcasing collections of products like a handbag with multiple color options. Now that you've posted content and possibly launched an ad campaign, let's take a look at data. Meta Ads Manager lets you see the results related to your campaigns. You can also customize the way your results appear to show the metrics that matter most. The metrics you'll want to pay close attention to will be cost per ad based on number of people the ad reached and number of clicks on the ad. If you're managing to a budget, this data will provide insights on how much you can expect to spend to get a specific type of result. If the results you're looking for become too expensive, you may need to focus on organic social advertising and be patient with the results. The Content tab shows you all in one place how each individual post and story performs. Sort by Facebook posts and stories, Instagram posts and stories to see which content type on which app delivers more engagement. This concludes part 3. Please join us for part 4, where we'll discuss maximizing SEO.